Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I am standing in front of one gorgeous 1954 F100 Ford pickup truck. She's got Ford power plant in her, custom interior. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna get it up on the lift so you can see how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood and take a look at that power plant. We're gonna look in the interior. We'll show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your F100 investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up. Check this beauty out, man. I love it when they put the chrome grills in them. That chrome front bumper looks great. That paint is laid on there, slick as can be. The body work is amazing. Got one little tick in the paint right there. Hood fits nice, door fits great. Now the car does have door poppers. I just reach in the window and pop the door there. Door jambs are beautiful. Nice easy gas fill here, real easy to get at. She is got fiberglass fenders on the rear. Now the tailgate is bolted shut, and look at this floor in here. Beautiful. We've got great looking oak. We've got stainless steel rungs in here, all polished up. Beautiful paint work here. They've got chrome caps on the back sides of those bolts that hold the fenders on. Look down the side of it. She is straight as can be. This door jamb looks just as nice as the driver's side, just gorgeous. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we spend the time to check the cars and trucks out before we buy them. When we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions when you call at 248-974-9513. Now let's take a look at the interior. Look at this door panel, beautiful, nice custom work. We got electric windows, beautiful paint work on the dash. It's got a tilt column, looks like a Lucara steering wheel. Great looking Dolphin gauges in there. Real nice bench seat here, and we've got room for 3 seat belts in there. Great looking headliner. All the paint work in here is beautiful. Just one hot looking Ford truck, guys. All right, let's go for a ride in our 54 F100. What a sweet ride this truck is, man. You want to talk about comfortable driving? Look at this. No hands on the wheel. Smooth as can be. Amazing paint job. Whipping around these corners like it's a Cobra, I tell you. Ford power up front. Sounds great. Well, except me, man. Sound like I got a frog in my throat. Look at this. Stopping, no hands on the wheel. She's stopping straight as an arrow. What a sweet ride. Look down here on the dash. We got Dolphin gauges down here. Stock appearing dash. We got our aftermarket radio, our AC controls. Still got the cowl vent, letting some cool air in there. Beautiful setup. What a sweet ride. And I tell you, we can ship this truck anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Now, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So give him a call anytime. He'll tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. Now, we also deal with 2 banks. So if you need help with financing, give us a call, about a 15-minute phone call with the banker, and we can also park this dream in your driveway. Just that easy. And don't forget, we're right outside of Detroit. We're real close to Ann Arbor, Michigan. Of course, everybody knows where that's at. Only 20 minutes from the airport. So if you want to come in and visit, please give us a call. We even come down to the airport and pick you up. We're bringing in about 40 new cars and trucks every month. So we've always got something cool coming in at Vanguard. So keep an eye on us daily. You never know what we might bring in tomorrow. Get around the corner here. Now listen to this exhaust. Listen to how sweet this thing is. How smooth it shifts. What a sweet ride we've got here. Now here's our shop right here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick around. We're gonna do something the other guys don't do. We're gonna put this truck up on the lift so you can check out the underside, and then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at the power under the hood. All right, we're underneath this truck now. This 54 Ford is beautiful. She's got a GM 10 bolt right around the 342 gear, and it is an open rear end. You can see the finish on the bottom side of the oak flooring. Beautiful exhaust system on her. Now on the brakes, the guys will pull those apart, make sure they're in good working order. We got Glasspack mufflers, that's why she sounds so good. We do have fiberglass fenders on the rear. It's got those extra wide fenders. We do have what looks like stock steel running boards. Bottom side of the cab looks good. We do have a vacuum pump down here. The battery's here in the stock location. I got a C4 trans here with a big deep aluminum pan on it. Gas tanks in the stock location. Front fenders are steel. We got a GMA body grafted on the front end of this thing. We've got disc brakes up front. They did such a nice job grafting this on. It looks like it belongs here. It's all boxed in. It's just an extension of the frame. Beautiful job, whoever did it. Gearbox looks good. Bottom side of the motor's nicely painted. We got a big sway bar added here. Just a gorgeous job on a gorgeous truck. You saw us out driving it. It's a blast to drive. She looks great on the underside. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got some really hot looking American Racing rims. Let's see if I can find the size. We got 235, 55, 16s up front. Look at all that orange paint on the inside there. Beautiful. Let's check the rear. All right, back here we got 295, 50, 16s. Same good looking rim, a little bit wider. And again, nice and clean on those wheel wells. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 302. That's exactly what you want to see. You want to see a Ford and a Ford. This is a roller motor with Edlebrock heads. It's got some really sharp Edlebrock aluminum valve covers. Looks like an Enduro Shine RPM intake on her. She's got a Holley carb sitting on there, an MSD distributor. Really sharp looking billet alternator here. Looks like a whole March pulley setup. Beautiful job on the pulley setup there. She does have power steering. She does have power brakes. All that's all chromed up. All the paint work looks good. All the AC's hooked up, jet coated headers. Now it's got the stock appearing radiator in it with a big old electric fan keeping it cool. It looks like it's thermostatically controlled over here. There's a thermostat control here. Everything under here looks gorgeous, guys. I tell you, I love these F100s, especially when they spend the time and actually put a Ford motor up front to make the power. Hey, give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.